At Shockwave Roofing, many factors have helped us stand out as a trusted roofing company in the local community. We are committed to delivering the highest quality service while ensuring every customer receives dependable professional care. If you're searching for Shockwave Roofing in Delaware, Ontario, our team is ready to handle everything needed to keep your roof in top condition. Your roof is constantly exposed to weather, wear, and unexpected damage over time. That's why we provide thorough inspections to identify issues early and recommend the right course of action. Our services include roof repairs, maintenance, and complete roofing solutions designed for long-term durability. When you're dealing with a roofing emergency, you need a team you can rely on right away. Our crew is prepared to provide the support needed to protect your home. We are dedicated to helping homeowners feel confident in the safety and condition of their roof. Call 226-977-1132 or visit shockwaveroofing.ca/areas-served-2/Delaware-Ontario to learn more today. Shockwave Roofing, quality service, fast response, and roofing you can depend on.